Hello YouTube people, this is Yona, an official Super Forex partner. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to download and install this application so-called MT4 specifically for trading Forex. And finally, how to use it. First of all, you need to go to Play Store, search MT4, then after, download and install it. Once it's installed in your mobile phone, please open it. If it's your first time, the application will open a demo account for you automatically, but manually can go to navigation drawer and tap get started. Then after, this cross will be available for you to tap it. Open, you can tap it, then you can go to open demo account, then you go to MetaCodes demo. Now as you can see, you can fill your information that you want. The demo account upper leverage is 1:100, and then you can set balance to any you want, and then create account. Now there are different parts that I'm going to walk you through. 6 parts of them. Let's start with the codes part. I assume you have basic Forex knowledge. Now you understand what currency pair is, what a spread is, what ask and bid prices are. So I'm going to teach you how to do basic some operations on these applications and how to open and close positions on MetaCodes by the Trader 4. So you need internet connection. Yeah, it's there. So we have the first part is the codes. As you can see from the bottom navigation here, which is similar to this one from this one. Codes, this is where our currency pairs appear, so you can tap one of them and start trading right away. You can hold one and go to new order, that you can open positions to start trading. Now, in case any currency pair is not here in the list, you can add it by tapping this cross sign. Then go ahead and tap each currency pair that you want to appear in the list. Then you go back. As you can see, we have more. We have more currency pairs here we can start trading with. Now we have spread. A spread is a point that is taken away by the broker once you start trading. They take this spread point and they multiply by the lot size you open account with, not account, trading position. And we have this market price. This is a bid or selling market price. It means you sell €1 in exchange for that market price in respect for United States dollar. So you buy that amount of United States dollar in exchange for euro, in which you sell €1, because euro is a base and the United States dollar is a cost for this instance. And the right one, this is the ask price. The left one is a bid price and the right one is the ask price. The ask price is a market price that you're buying with. It means that you're buying €1 with a United States dollar as shown in the market. The market is moving, you can't even say the numbers, but the number that I've circled, this is the market price for buying euro in exchange for. So you buy €1 and you sell this amount of money of United States dollar. So let's go to charts. Tap here from the bottom navigation. We have from the drawer here chart. Oh, can't. Can't draw. Yeah. This one. You see this one. Yeah. That. uh, this is ridiculous. Okay, that one charts. As you can see, this one is where our graph is shown. In the charts, this is where your market prices are shown. So if I go to, okay, this is a crosshair, this is a crosshair. If you tap it, you can use it to keep track of information from the graph. From bottom, we can see this one, this is date, and this one is the black one, the market price where you point your crosshair at. And we next to it we have function f. This is where all your indicators are located. So you can tap this one, you can tap for, and you can input any indicator you want. For example, you can put average true range ATR, this one, done. As you can see, this we have ATR down here. How to remove? You just tap here the graph and then go to this one, and then you tap this, and then here, and then here again. Then you can see it's removed. Then next to it is a dollar sign, represents symbol. This represents all currency pair that you have from your courts. For example, if you want to switch for euro dollar to dollar Swiss, you can tap this one, dollar Swiss, switch to dollar Swiss. So it means you're in the graph for dollar Swiss, and if you tap there, anything you're dealing with dollar Swiss. And next to it we have this clock. The clock is representing the time frame what you're looking at. For this case, my time frame right now is daily, so one candle represents 1 day. So you can switch from daily to 1 minute. We have 1 minute, we have 5 minutes, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. So let's go to 1 minute time frame. So this 1 minute is one candle represent 1 minute. As you can see, this market is moving. It's moving sharply. This is not good. The market is very volatile in lower time frame, so it's better to keep on high time frame, not lower time frames. As you can see, we have, if you scroll back now, we have this one. This is ask price or buying price. It means you are buying dollar and you are selling this Swiss at that market price. And if you want to sell dollar Swiss, even if you want to sell dollar, if you sell $1 in respect with this Swiss. Yeah, that's it. So let's go back to high time frame of daily. And finally we have this where we can open positions. This part can open new order for dollar Swiss. If you tap it, and check into the where we can open positions. Now we have different kind of executions. We have buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. But I strongly encourage to use instant execution. Immediately, if you tap sell or buy button, then the transactions are done. They are being done immediately as you tap these buttons. So down to it there is this is where you select your lot size you want to trade with. For this case, this one lot represents 100,000 units. It depends of what currency you want to trade with. For this case, it means I want to trade with the 100,000 United States dollar in exchange for Swiss francs. Yeah, that is one lot. So if I go lower, like this to 0.01, it means I want to exchange 1,000. This is 1,000, represent 1,000 units of United States dollar in exchange for Swiss francs. So for demonstration, I will put one lot here so you can understand something. I'm going to explain something in the next section. So right after you put everything, as you can see, this price, as I said before, this is a bid price or selling price, and this is ask price or buying price. Now we have this portion. This is where you place your stop loss. Your stop loss goes here. Stop loss means in case market goes in wrong direction, it goes opposite direction. Opposite direction from where you want it to go. Then the market, the system will close your position, will take you out of trades here automatically. Yeah, so we can place a stop loss here. Maybe low. I want to buy. If you want to buy, stop loss has to be low from current market price, so we go lower there. And with this is take profit. Take profit is where you want your system to take profit automatically once the market price reach to that market price. So we set it to go higher. Market price take profit has to be higher if you want to buy, and vice versa is true. Stop loss has to be higher current market price, and take profit has to be lower current market price if you want to sell. So we take higher, we place it higher. Okay, then we tell this button to start buying. Ooh, done. Now the position has been opened, as you can see with lot. So now we are buying 100,000 units of United States dollar in exchange for Swiss francs. Now you guys must be wondering, what are these in this? I was saying this is a trade sections. Trade sections is found here. This one. So if you tap this, you can see we have, this is where you enter, this is where market is at, this is your profit or loss of current trade, this is the date and time you open the positions, this is your stop loss, this is your take profit, and this is ID, transaction number of your transaction. There are a lot of transactions, so you have to identify your number. Swap, it depends with the broker. Yeah, actually it depends with the broker. You can view each swap here from the courts, and you can hold in symbol properties. We have swap somewhere. Yeah, swap long. For demo account, if you swap long, if it reaches on Wednesday and you are going long means to buy. If you're buying currency pair, then if it reaches on certain day, this will take 0.14, that is test dollar from your account, and for short we take this one. But in super forex, it's not negative on either side. One of them has to be positive from super. But I don't know for other brokers, but talking for super forex, because I'm introducing broker of super forex, you guys know that. So let's go back to this. Ooh, how lucky am I? Look, going to open the position, get a profit immediately. This is one lot. Okay, we have taxes and commissions. I'm not going to talk about them. You know them if you sign up with your broker, and you can learn all these stuffs on your own. So let's go to this part here. Okay, this, if you have more positions, this one will arrange them according to order, time, symbol, and profit. Since I have only one trading position, then no need for that. Then if you want to open another position, you can tap this one. and this is the total profit or loss that you have from these trading positions down here. Yeah, and balance is the amount of money you have, you deposited or you have right after closing positions. You'll see once I close these positions soon. And equity is a balance plus this amount of money. Take balance plus this one. So equity is the final expected balance once all your positions are closed. For this case, you can see this one plus this one yields this one. And we have free margin. Free margin comes from margin. So if you take free margin plus margin, you get balance. So how do they relate? Do you remember what your leverage was? This is our leverage. This one ratio 100. So 1 ratio 100, 1 ratio 100 means, if I want to take an example of United States dollar, if I want to trade maybe $100, I want to open a position that worth $100, then broker will need $1 from me in order for him to lend me $100. Yeah. Oh, now this took profit automatic. As you can see, the position closed. That's the work of take profit. Automatic, it closes the positions. Now I need to open another one for demonstration. I can't do this. Let me change it. Now, how dare you application close my positions while I'm still explaining to people? Come on. Don't do it again. I don't give you stop loss, take profit. Let's go. Let's do it again. Done. Now I open with lower. Okay, so let's continue. As you can see, now we have 10 instead of 1,000. Last time we opened one lot. One lot equals to 100,000 units. So for that case, it means that I was buying 100,000 United States dollars in exchange for Swiss francs. Now, in order to be able to trade with 100,000 United States dollars, how is that possible? Even how is that even possible? Well, I can see that I have a balance that is only 5,000 United States dollars. So what's happening here is this: the margin was 1,000. If you well remember, that 1,000 is like this. My leverage is 1 ratio 100. So if you take 100,000 divide by 100, you get 1,000. Now that 1,000 is amount of money that the broker needs to set aside in order for him to lend me money to start trading with. Yeah. So there was 1,000 here. Now I want to trade with 0.01 lot size. 0.01 lot size equals to $1,000. Now $1,000, I want to trade with that, but my leverage is 1 ratio 100. So what is going on? This is what happens in order to get this margin. So if you take 1,000, divide by 100, that 100 is leverage, you get 10. Now that 10 is this margin that is set aside. Now what is free margin? Free margin is the amount of money that you're remaining it for you to be set aside by the broker in order for you to open positions. So margin, if you take balance minus margin, you get free margin. Now this is the amount I can trade with. Sorry, is it really balance? No, it's equity. It's equity actually. Yes, equity. Yeah, they have to take into consideration these stuffs here. So, and margin level, if your margin level is below 100%, you won't be able to open trading positions. As you can see, this is more than 100. This is calculated by free margin divided by margin times 100. You get margin level. So we're done for this part. Congratulations if you understood well. Let's go to another part. This history. This is where all your history are recorded according to what you're trading and your profit loss. As you can see, my deposit was 5,000, my profit is this one, my balance came to this one. Before this became a balance, it was equity. As you can see is profit from the navigation draw. I have history right here, and when you can switch from different currency or symbols. You can switch on how they are order, how according to how the list should be arranged. The opening time, closing time, profit, yeah. And from today, what's the period you want to see your history from? Last week, maybe last 3 months. You can switch today. Now we are done for this part. Congratulations again. Let's go to another part. This is news part. This is where all news display once they happened. They're available here. And we have this social part. This chat they call it. This is where you can sign, register or sign it with a social network of trading community. Yeah, you can start sharing with different people. You can register to different kind of signals. You can start trading with. Yeah, you get signals, but you have to pay for them, I guess. Yeah, you can go on your own. And as we have here messages, and we have economic calendar for tracking what kind of news is coming up next. And we have settings, we have journal, and we have about. We have something else? No. Yes, we have to close this. You can't leave it like that. We don't have stop loss, take profit, so we have to close it. So it's done. Okay, congratulations guys, thank you for watching the video. Hope you guys understood well how we explain everything. If you guys got more questions, don't forget to go down to the comment sections and drop anything that you get doubt on and you want to understand, what you want to hear from me and from the next video. Good to know if the video gave you something important for your trading lifestyle. Please like this video, this channel, don't know this video, yeah, like this video and subscribe on my channel. Yeah, what was supposed to say? Yeah, like the video and subscribe on my channel guys. So that you won't miss anything that's coming next from my channel. And thank you for watching my video and have a nice good day. It's Yona, an official Super Forex partner. Have a nice good day.